Hey, my beautiful angelic beauties. Today I have another review for you guys. So I went on Amazon and I needed some coloring for my soaps, my cosmetics to make them pop more. Because I'm thinking, oh, they look a little bit, needing a little spicing up. So I found this mica powder right here. And I can't wait until it's actually open. Let's check this out and see what we have. Because this one, as you could see, it says it's for soap, it's for resin, nail polish, candles, slime, bath bombs. Ooh, bath bombs. I have bath bombs, I use cosmetics, and I have a soap company. So, this is perfect for me. And it's non-toxic according to them. So this is the first time I'm opening this sucker. If it opens, it looked like it's trying to, I'm over here fighting to open this. Okay, thank goodness for nails, right? So this is what you're gonna receive, a box like this. And then you're gonna receive, for all my bubble poppers. So I have these right here. There's 24 in the pack and it's every color. So we have black, and then we got burgundy. So we have all these colorants, lilac, gold. So let's grab 2 or 3 just to see what it looks like. So I'm opening this right now and it's glittered. It's shimmered, I should say. It is fine, so it is all over my table. So be very careful. I'm gonna tap my finger into it slightly, and I barely had my finger in here, y'all guys. Like, don't sneeze because there'll be a So this is how it is for the black. I'm sorry, guys. If y'all can see the shimmer. And then this right here is very shimmer. And this is the ash. So I guess that's a silver. And then burgundy. Like I said, it's very, very, very super fine. So be careful with this. So I'm going to use the top part. And I'm going to slide it down. See? I'm going to slide it down right here and do a swat. And look at that. It shows. I just didn't put enough. So there we go. And that's just the burgundy. It's very nice. I'm also going to take a picture of it, of obviously my wrist, and to show you exactly everything. So it is very good for cosmetics if you're trying to make things pop. This is scarlet. So let's do scarlet. And I do apologize for any noise you hear in the background. Trust me. The beauty of motherhood. Gotta love it, right? All right, so this is the red. Look at that. It's just as shiny. The red is just as shiny right here. And look how bright that is. I want to show you one more before I wrap up this video. You get a spoon and you're going to scoop out what you actually need. So you're going to do 1 scoop, 2 scoop, 3 scoop. All right, so let's do some colors. Let's do one more color before we wrap this up. Now, I'm going to do gold.
Gold.
So you want to test me? So, well, it says yellow. Sorry, yellow. We're not doing gold. We're doing yellow. And then this last color here, because I have, oh, okay. Look how nice that looks. And they're all shimmery. And they're all shimmery and nice and very vibrant. And very fine. So, like I said, don't sneeze. And for the best part about it, for the price that I'm putting up, so for the link I'm going to send you, it's a great price because you're getting, for 24 of them, you're getting 10 grams of this. So this is a lot. So I'm glad about this purchase. This was a very nice purchase that I received. It has all the colors that I'm looking for and wanting. So, hey, it works. And I know there's videos out there regarding about this, showing you exactly using this product and how beautiful and nice everything comes out with. I'll probably link their video down below. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you when I see you. Love y'all guys. Bye.